Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is impact of IT revolution on society and individual behavior. IT is currently taking center stage in the world. Information technology is taking center stage in the world. IT will shape dynamics of the new millennium. After 2000 we are calling it new millennium. IT will shape the dynamics of this new millennium. We are from agricultural revolution to industrial revolution to information revolution. How India traveled from agricultural revolution to industrial revolution to information revolution. Communication requires that all parties have an area of communicative commonality. See, communication, what it requires? All parties have an area of communicative commonality. All parties, all people, they have communicative commonality. Professional behavior. Anything an organization does is professional behavior. Aspects of professional behavior, let us discuss now. 1. Respect for others. Professional behavior aspects. Respect for others. Being courteous and having good manners. For example, my friend Sudhir Jaladi. He has courtesy. How courteous he is, he is very respectful. His behavior is very respectful to people. Sudhir Jaladi. So he fits into this. Respect for others. First he gives respect. Sudhir Jaladi gives respect. He is a great human being. He is being courteous and having good manners. That is why he won my heart. I could win his heart. So in between, what Durki Mohan Rao, he made us friends. He is the one who brought us together and made us friends. That is why respect for others, that is very important, which Sudhir Jaladi has. Be punctual. Keeping confidential details confidential. Always keep confidential details confidential. Being fair in all dealings. You must be fair in all dealings. One my driver was there, earlier driver. He was fair in all dealings. So that is why he is respected by people. Acceptance of constructive criticism. If somebody is offering you constructive criticism, accept it. We need to accept constructive criticism. Number 2, one is respect for others. Number 2, responsibility and integrity. One must take care of himself and present himself in order to gain others' trust and respect. You have to present in such a way that you are expecting respect from others. Your behavior, your integrity will give you back respect from others. Number 3, honesty is crucial. Avoiding even the smallest of lies at all costs. Honesty required. No lies at all. Avoid anything. All lies you need to avoid at any cost. Be honest. It yields result in future. Number 4, commitment to quality. Always commit to quality. If there is no commitment to quality, who will respect you? Who will respect your product? Who will take your product? Who will buy your product? So, commitment to quality is always required. A professional gives best he can. A professional, whatever he can give, his best a professional offers. IT transformed the whole world into a global village with a global economy. Information technology transformed the whole world, leading to global economy, not the country economy, not the Indian economy, Japanese economy, American economy, global economy. So that is why IT transformed the whole world into a global village and a global economy. Today we are living in global village. The whole world is a global village, and we are living in global economy. Digital divide allows disproportionate access to people in IT. All people have no access to IT. Even today, it is disproportionate access. Some people have access to IT, some people don't have even today. Some have access, some do not have access to digital world. That is what we say digital divide. In offices, with introduction of biometric system of attendance, the laborious system of maintaining regular attendance books and manual entry has been abolished. Biometric attendance system in offices. In government offices also, they have introduced the biometric attendance system. So it avoided what? Carrying the physical attendance books, attendance registers. It's laborious work. That was all shunned, avoided by introducing biometric attendance system in offices. Before closing this lecture, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.